Minter. IO promises to offer powerful tools for social media management and analytics, but is it right for you? Before you make a decision, here are 12 things you need to know to determine if it stacks up against the competition. First, Mintered. IO stands out for its ease of use. Unlike some complex platforms that have a steep learning curve, Mintered. IO offers a clean interface, allowing you to quickly navigate through its features. However, tools like Hootsuite or Sprout Social might feel more polished in terms of user experience, especially for teens. Next, Mintered. IO shines with its deep analytics. It gives you detailed insights into your social media performance, helping you track engagement, reach, and audience demographics. But when compared to competitors like Social Bakers, Mintered, IO can fall short when it comes to advanced reporting capabilities and customization options. The third thing you should know is Mintered, IO's scheduling tool. It allows you to plan and schedule posts across multiple social media platforms, including Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. However, when compared to Buffer, Mintered, IO's scheduling features are a bit more basic and lack some advanced options, like optimal time suggestions for posting. Next up, Mintered. IO supports integration with various platforms, including Google Analytics, which makes it easy to track your social media efforts in conjunction with your website's performance. However, platforms like AgroPulse offer more integrations with CRM tools, making them a better choice for businesses with complex needs. The fifth thing to keep in mind is Mintered, IO's pricing structure. While it offers competitive rates for small businesses, its plans can get quite expensive when scaling up to larger teams or businesses. If you're comparing it to alternatives like Zoho Social, you might find more value at a similar price point for larger organizations. Moving on, Mintered, IO provides a solid mobile app experience. It allows you to schedule and monitor your social media accounts on the go. However, its mobile app isn't as feature-rich or intuitive as the ones offered by competitors like Later, which offers a better user experience with visual planning features. The seventh thing you should know is Mintered, IO's customer support. While it offers 24/7 support through chat, the response time can be slow, especially during peak hours. When you compare this to the support teams at platforms like Sprout Social, Mintered, IO's customer service may leave you wanting more. Next thing to note is its reporting capabilities. While it offers standard reporting, it lacks some of the in-depth customizable reports that you can get with alternatives like Sendable or HubSpot. If you need detailed reports for clients or in-depth analysis, these platforms might serve you better. The ninth thing is that Minter. IO offers social listening tools, which allow you to track brand mentions and industry trends. While this feature is useful, it's not as robust as tools like Brandwatch or Mention, which are specifically designed for social listening and offer more advanced features. The 10th thing to mention is Minter, IO's team collaboration options. It offers basic features, but it's not as advanced as the team workflows you'll find on platforms like Hootsuite or Buffer. If collaboration and approval processes are key to your team, you might prefer those other tools. The 11th point is its content creation tools. Minter. IO provides some basic tools to help with content creation, but if you're looking for an all-in-one solution with more design features, platforms like Canva or Later might serve you better for creative work. Finally, Minter. IO offers a free trial, which is a great way to test the software before committing. But be aware that certain features are locked behind higher tier plans, and you might feel limited if you're on a basic plan. If you're looking for more flexibility and a broader range of features, it's worth comparing it to solutions like Sprout Social or Hootsuite, which offer more comprehensive free tiers. To wrap up, Mintered. IO is a solid option for social media management and analytics, especially for smaller businesses and individuals. However, if you're looking for a more feature-packed and scalable option, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.